Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel, Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from this reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I'm gonna use this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life. I'm gonna take 4 cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and concentration, 4 cards for your feeling, attention, and concentration, and 2 cards for mutual energies. Okay, Leo, let's get started. What is the Leo person's feelings towards Leo? What is the Leo person's feelings towards Leo? What is the Leo person's feeling and attentions towards Leo? And we are having here Queen of Cups, 8 of Cups, Chariot, 3 of Pentacles. So what are the Leo's feelings toward this person? So what are the Leo's feelings toward this person? The Hierophant, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, 9 of Cups. So what are the mutual energies? 5 of Wands, 8 of Swords. These are your cards and signs that could relate to your person. It could be any Cancer with this Chariot, Taurus with this Hierophant, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this 8 of Cups, 9 of Cups, and Queen of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 3 of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 5 of Swords. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 5 of Wands. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 8 of Swords. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling first, Leo. And this is this person's current situation right now. This person is in a complete disappointment, or maybe they feel like that you are leaving them in disappointment, and they feel like that you are so like nourishing yourself. You are like this Queen of Cups. You are paying attention on yourself, love, self love. This person is feeling like that. I think this person is walking away in disappointment, and this person is also want to move forward. You, I think they feel like that you are walking away from this person, you are leaving this person behind, and they want to chase you, they want to talk to you, they want to move forward towards you, and they see you like this Queen of Cups, like you are so nurturing, you are so caring, you are paying attention on your little bit moody, and you are so like paying attention on yourself, and you are listening to this person, but you are so like into your own. And with this 3 of Pentacle, this person is taking you as this person working on you as a mission. The way this person is want to move forward you, this person take you as their mission, their first priority. They want to work on this connection, they want to work on this project. Feelings are not so deep, uh, Leo. I can feel the feeling in this person for you is not so deep. This person take you as project. This person take you as their goal, their mission. They want to work on this connection. They want to chase you. They want to have you. They want to own you. They want to grab you. But feelings are not so deep, and they will try to reach you, and they are taking you, working on you, like they take you as challenge maybe, or maybe they take you as their, I think this person's taking you as challenge. And because you are so like mysterious, you are talking, you are working on yourself, you are nurturing yourself, you are paying attention, you know what is self love. You are loving yourself, and when you love yourself, it attracts to other. Like if you are enjoying your company, other people also enjoying your company. Like you can be a moody. When a person finally recognize their worth, they are attractive, like their attraction is like another level of attraction, and this person is a little bit disappointed. And let's see what is in your chart. And you are right now, like I told you, you are nurturing, you are paying attention on yourself, you are real, you are like you are paying attention on your thing, your finances, your like work, and you are like counseling and guiding people. You are you are a good advisor. You can console other person, you can give guidance to other person. And this is your feelings toward this person, your passion. You are little, you feel passion, but little bit off when sometimes it's on, your passion is on and off for this person. Sometimes you feel it hot and cold, sometimes you feel like you love this person and you want to have this person, another time you feel so cold. This is your feeling, you are hot and cold toward this person. And the thing is that you are so satisfied the way you are. You take a decision and you are so satisfied with that, you are satisfied with yourself. You are like happy the way you are, like counseling, guiding other people, paying attention on yourself, working for your success, working for yourself. You invest your energies on you. You are your first priority, and you are so like satisfied with that. And the mutual energies, this person feels some kind of competition when it's when it's on you. This person feel competition. There is a fight is going on between you two, or maybe between people, and there is a lot of ideas and there conflicts and disagreements, and this person feels some kind of competition. And also this person is a little bit tie up somewhere. And they feel like they are surrounded by their own thoughts. They are just fears in this, there are obstacles in this person's way. I think you are like, these are mutual cards in your side. If I look at your chart, you are in some kind of competition. You are so excited, you are so passionate, and you are working with people, and there is disagreements, and there is a lot of ideas you may be discussing. There is some kind of discussion is going on between you and people. And this person feels so tie up somewhere in their own thoughts, in their own actions. And this person is tie up stuck. This person is stuck. So let's see what else we have for you. What else for Leo? What else? Okay. Seven of Pentacles. What else for Leo? Nine of Wands, and as an outcome, King of Wands. And this person is waiting for you. This person is like, they think they invest their self, their time, and they are doing their best to get you. They are doing their best to get you, but they are waiting for results now. And you are not that easy to get as they think. Like, you already get betrayed, you already get hurt in past, and you really don't want to repeat it again. So you are like turning your back from this person, and paying on you are happy in your own energy, in your own charm, in your own, like, you are good the way you are. This is your own energy, Leo. Wants, a lot of wants, and you are like happy in your own energy. You are charming. You are like this king of wands. You are good in this, and this is in recent week. You feel like so energetic, so charming, so attractive in public. The way you are dealing with public, this is a good card, good outcome for you, Leo. So let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Have faith. Give yourself space. Seek for truth. Walk on grass barefoot. Cure your heart. These are few advices in the end, and summary of your reading is this person want to chase you. This person want to work on you. This person is waiting for you, and you are like paying attention on yourself, and your feeling toward this person is on and off, and you are happy with your decisions. You are guiding people, you are counseling people, you are a complete like guide for other people, and you really don't want to repeat past. You really don't want to do that with yourself again. You find out what is self-love. You feel that you can feel your worth in your own eyes, and there is some kind of competition, and a lot of ideas clashing around you, and the upcoming week you feel so charming, so attractive, and in public, and there is competition and excitement waiting for you. These are few summary of your reading. Hope this helpful for you, resonate with you. If it resonate with you, you can tell me in comments. And thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.